The Gauteng DA Health Shadow MEC Jack Bloom is calling for the removal of the CEO at Tembisa Hospital. And this after the alleged procurement of skinny jeans by the hospital, which has left another black mark against the beleaguered health facility. The invoice itself is dubious. It reads 200 skinny jeans, and yet the description is for monocryl sutures. Now, if the sutures were indeed procured, it is still a staggering 4 times the asking price of a wholesale medical supplier. And despite the repeated requests by SABC News, the CEO was unavailable for comment.
Skinny jeans seen on catwalk models and teeny bloppers traipsing the country. Yet 200 of these jeans were bizarrely ordered by Tembisa Hospital. This particular transaction was flagged by slain whistleblower Babita Dokuran shortly before her death. The total value, 498,000 rand. Just a whisper short of the R500,000 mark when it would go to tender. This means the jeans cost a staggering 2,500 rand each. A similar pair at a flea market costs about 200 rand. Moreover, and even more curious, the jeans were for 6- and 7-year-olds. The Democratic Alliance is calling for a public investigation and consequences.
We need to see an investigation that will look at the allegations that Babita Dokuran, the assassinated health official, made. We need justice for Babita. You know, she died because she was trying to uncover the corruption at this department. Now we see that there's hundreds of millions of rand splurged at the Tembisa Hospital.
Other items include luxury armchairs and medical items allegedly procured at an inflated cost. The DA has questioned this.
This is a hospital that's short of beds. You know, why do you need 100 luxury leather armchairs? And they also spent 230 rand each on hand towels. So something is seriously wrong at this hospital. And the main problem, as I see it, is that we've had so little reaction from the Gauteng Health Department. The evidence first started coming to light about a month ago.
When approached, the Gauteng Health Department referred SABC News to Tembisa Hospital CEO. The CEO, despite several attempts to procure comment, was unavailable. Even if 200 boxes of sutures were procured, Tembisa Hospital paid about 4 times the usual asking price. Commentators are also aghast at the disclosure.
Former Treasury employee Kenneth Brown had indicated a while ago that 35 to 40% of the government's procurement budget is lost to tender and contracting fraud and corruption. Corruption costs the 70 to 80% of the population of this country that rely on public services for education, health, social development, and policing, amongst others.
Special Investigating Unit Head Andy Mutibi says his unit will begin investigations into fraud and corruption at the hospital soon.
Like the old song goes, baby makes the blue jeans talk. Well, it seems Tembisa Hospital has a lot to talk about, and whether the jeans procurement merely lined someone's pockets. Mbalenhle Mthethwa, SABC News, Johannesburg.